Banjara Hills Charitable Trust की సెక్రటరీని. ది ట్రస్ట్ దట్ ఈస్ రన్నింగ్ స్పర్శ హాస్పిస్. ఈ రోజు నాడు మా యొక్క ఈ చిన్న ప్రోగ్రామ్ అంటే ఇన్విటేషన్ టు జాయిన్ ది ఫెలిసిటేషన్ టు కేర్ గివర్స్ బేరర్స్ని చీఫ్ గెస్ట్ గారిని స్టేజ్ మీదకి రావాలని ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాము. ఫస్ట్ ముఖ్యంగా డాక్టర్ సుబ్రహ్మణ్యం గారు రోటరీ క్లబ్ బంజారా చారిటబుల్ ట్రస్ట్ అని స్టేజ్ మీదకి రమ్మని కోరుతున్నాను. రోటరీ క్లబ్ ఆఫ్ బంజారా హిల్స్ చారిటబుల్ ట్రస్ట్ స్పాన్సర్ చేసిన ఆర్గనైజేషన్ రోటరీ క్లబ్ ఆఫ్ బంజారా హిల్స్. ఈ రోజు నాడు ముఖ్యంగా ఒక మైల్ స్టోన్ కూడా ఉంది స్పర్శకి. ఏంటంటే ఈ యొక్క ఫెసిలిటీని ఇప్పటికీ మోర్ దెన్ 100 పేషెంట్స్
ఈ యొక్క హ్యుమానిటేరియన్ కేర్ ఇచ్చే మెయిన్ ముఖ్యమైన పర్సన్స్ ఎవరంటే మన హాస్పిస్ యొక్క కేర్ గివర్స్ మరియు పేషెంట్స్ యొక్క వాళ్ళ అటెండెన్స్. సో డాక్టర్ రామానంద్ గారిని వారి టీంని ఇక్కడికి రమ్మని ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాము. I request V.V.S. Lakshman Garu to he'll read out the names of all the hospice staff and caregivers. I request you to just introduce the Raman Garu, please come.
To introduce some of our caregivers. Caregivers are those who take care of the patients through the period of their illness and are generally the unsung and unrecognized heroes of a very complex situation. Today, we at Sparsh wish to recognize their role in patient care in general, and for this purpose, we have requested a few of them who have used our services and who have traversed this emotional journey to be with us. We have Daisy, one of the residents of our hospice, who has been making colorful flowers from paper. Daisy, please raise your hand and be recognized. Okay. I request Sunita, daughter of R. Lakshmi, to please come forward and accept a rose from our chief guest. Sunita. Now I request Mr. Marumuthu, husband of Revati, to come and collect a rose from our chief guest. Now I request Mr. Krishnamurthy, husband of Lakshmi Saroja, to come and collect a rose from the. I request Mr. Bhaskar, husband of Sunita, to come and collect a rose. I request Mr. Thirumal Reddy, brother of Kavita, to come and collect a rose from us. I request Mr. Joseph, brother-in-law of Rajiv, to come and accept a rose from me. In this caregivers to come and share their valuable experiences with us. Firstly, I would like to call staff. Like we are 3 doctors working in our hospice. First of all, I would like to call upon Dr. Rohini, an oncologist who's been spending her valuable time with us, to please come and collect a small token of appreciation from our chief guest.
Dr. Rohini is a trained oncologist in the US and she's come back 2 years ago and she's decided to help.
Mr. Pushpa. Sister Nagmani. Sister Maunika. Sister Lakshmi. With us, I'll call upon their individual names. Zahida. Parveen. Bhagyama is a cook with us. She cooks all the breakfast, lunch and dinner to all the patients. Raju is the office boy of ours.
Yeah, just to introduce them, this is Padma Reddy and this is Pallavi. Both of them are have been very kind enough to volunteer their time. They're basically volunteers here helping us run. I request Dr. Amanan to receive a token of.
Now, in this connection, I would like some of our caregivers to come and share their valuable experiences they had with us. Hello. First of all,
4 monthsకి వాళ్ళు చాలా కష్టం అని చెప్పారు. ఆ హాస్పిటల్ వాళ్ళు ఇక్కడికి పంపించారు మమ్మల్ని. రాగానే వీళ్ళు వెంటనే బాగా దగ్గర తీసుకున్నారు. చాలా కేర్గా ఇక్కడ డాక్టర్స్ కానీ నర్సెస్ కానీ అందరూ చాలా బాగా సొంత ఇంట్లో వాళ్ళు ఎలా ఉంటారో అలా దగ్గర తీసుకోవటం. ఏదైనా వెంటనే అడగగానే ఆ పేషెంట్ పలానా తినాలనిపిస్తుందంటే వెంటనే వాళ్ళు ఏదో ఒకటి వీళ్ళకున్న దాంట్లో చాలా ఆప్యాయంగా చూసుకున్నారండి. మటుకి మాటల్లో చెప్పలేము ఇది. తను ఎక్స్పైర్ అయి 4 months అవుతుంది. ఈ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఇచ్చిన డాక్టర్స్కి ఇక్కడ అందరికీ నా ధన్యవాదాలండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
thank you very much, sir. Now, I request Mr. Joseph, brother-in-law of Rajiv, to come and please share his experience with us.
Thank you so much for this privilege to speak to you. Rajiv is my brother-in-law. He lived for 54 years. 25 years back he had a cancer and he was treated in Bombay. We never thought that it will revive in a different way. Few months back he called my daughter and said that I am in a very bad shape. Then my daughter told him, come on, take a train and come to the Hyderabad. He came to Hyderabad. We admitted him in what they call the Asian Institute. Dr. Pradeep we had taken care of. He gave a clear indication to us he's not going to survive long. I think we'll try to keep him in the hospital for some time, but thereafter you'll have to take care. It was very interesting to point out to you, I was trying in the city of Hyderabad, going around many places, where I can keep him. That was a question to our family, because all his brothers, all of them settled in various parts of the world. He is one and my wife, we are here. That moment, my daughter, who lives in Washington, D.C., and his brother lives in Australia, simultaneously they sent me some mail. There is one sparsh which we find from the internet website. Could you kindly just go and see it? I do not know where is this sparsh and what it is. Then I contacted on the phone and then they gave me the details how to reach this place. I came here. I tell you, the response I received was fantastic. I can't explain in details. It is beyond my expectation. It reminded me of one biblical word. The body without the spirit is dead. Similarly, the faith without deed is dead. This is exactly these people, those who are here, right from the doctor to the down below. They were so compassionate and loving. And I couldn't imagine the type of the treatment that Mr. Rajiv received it. And all of us when we are coming here to receive. I can't explain you the love and compassion they've shown towards us. We really owe a lot for this organization. In fact, today my daughter and all of them had to attend other conference, therefore they could not come. Otherwise we wanted to come together and attend to this one. And really I tell you, this is Sparsh is doing a great job which no man can think of. No man can think of in these days of the world of wickedness and the world of the selfishness, and they make a sacrifice of their time, their treasure and their talent to do what best they can do for the patients. What a great organization. I would like to can say this is, we commit to this organization in our prayers. May the God bless this. May the God lead it. May the God show a great things to this organization so that many patients will be blessed. And I know that all of our people will owe a lot to them. God bless you all.
This is from our chief guest.
I'm sure we will live up to their expectations. Now I request Padma Shri VBS Lakshman Garu.